Welcome to Braba Talk. Our purpose is to explore life's essential questions. Join us, subscribe, and be part of the journey.
Braba Talk, we come alive with honest words. We learn to rise, human hearts, the truths we face. Faith and purpose set the pace. We look inside, we call it clear. What we believe, what we hold dear. In every story, there's a sign to think with care, to draw the line. Awakening starts with sight. When the facts come into light, walk it slow, don't drift away. Let wisdom guide the way. Braba Talk, wake my mind. Braba Talk, truth is kind. Braba Talk, I will see purpose grows in you and me. Braba Talk, Braba Talk. Kenya, Rwanda, English too, same old true, in words that move, one shared path, one open door, for deeper life and something more. Reflect and act, don't move blind, choose with heart and sharpen mind. Clarity can change your walk, every day that's Braba Talk. Awakening starts with sight, when the facts come into light. Walk it slow, don't drift away. Let wisdom guide the way. Braba Talk, wake my mind. Braba Talk, truth is kind. Braba Talk, I will see purpose grows in you and me. Braba Talk.
Welcome to Braba Talk. Our purpose is to explore life's essential questions. Join us, subscribe, and be part of the journey.
Subscribe and share the flame. Comment, like, and call the name. Support the journey, join the call. Awakening belongs to all.